How's everybody making all this money on TikTok Shop as an affiliate? If you're looking for a formula, I think I found one. Trust me, at least just give it a try. So I'm gonna show you proven receipts, okay? Things that I've done to see if I can kind of tweak and increase. You've heard the word double down, but I'm not gonna use that word even though I already did. This is what I did, okay? I made 5 videos on a product, spent it 5 different ways, different angles, different hooks. Maybe text on screen, maybe not. And then I analyzed those 5 videos. Once I saw one that had the views and especially generated some sales, guess what? I didn't just double down. I did the exact same thing 5 more times. All right. So yes, it's all about, GMV max and a number of other things. But at the same time, when you don't have any of those things working in your favor, at least you can do this. Now 5, there's no magic reason why to choose 5. You can choose 3. You can do 2 videos per product. You can do 10, but it's guaranteed that out of those 10 or 5 videos that you do off of that one product, you will see 2 or 3 of them take off more than the others. All right. And the reason why I say this is because sometimes we'll get samples in left and right. Knock out the sample. The next thing you know, you have 12 different videos with no real reason to analyze your own videos to see what's working. All you know is you think you put your time and effort into creating a video. You can check off that you've done that sample or fulfilled that request. But when it comes to ROI, return on your investment, such as your time, your effort, script writing, editing, all of that behind the scenes stuff, you really can't gauge why the video is not taking off. Take a little note, write this down, tell yourself you're going to do 5 videos, 5 different ways on one product, and then whichever one gets the most views and likely a sale, or even if it gets a sale, all right, do that same exact thing 5 more times. Now, you couldn't used to do this a while ago, like a year ago, 2024. You would likely at that time have gotten copyright, or unoriginal content. They've kind of done away with that. I don't know if you notice or not, but now you don't get, violations for unoriginal content when it's your video again. I've been doing this, for about the last 2 months, and I'm starting to see some traction. Maybe you want to share it with someone else. All right. But anyway, I'm not going to be broadcasting this, but something I kind of stumbled upon. Hope that helps. If you want more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel. All right, like it, comment, let me know what are your thoughts, okay? And turn on post notifications. That way you never miss a video. And hopefully, if I haven't already, you can see that some of these videos have low views, some have high views, and then I duplicated it 5 more times, Same with some of these other videos, all right? So there is some real analytics there to back up what I'm saying. All you got to do is test it. Now, at the same time, every account is different. Every person is different. What might work for me might not work for you. All right. See you on the next video.